Filipino cyclist Nash Lim emerged as one of the standout performers of the 2026 MPTC Tour of Luzon after finishing as the highest-ranked Filipino rider overall. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho reports.
At just 23 years old, Filipino cyclist Nash Lim has emerged as one of the biggest stories of the 2026 MPTC Tour of Luzon. Riding for MPT Drive Hub, Lim finished fourth overall in the individual general classification, making him the highest-ranking Filipino rider of this year's tour. A massive leap from his 15th place finish just a year ago. After 14 brutal days of racing, Lim said the difference this time was not just power, but racing smarter.
Siguro po, mas naging smarter ako mag-race. Malaking part din po kasi yung nutrition every day kasi lalo na yun sobrang haba nung stages.
From the mountain stages to the individual time trials, every detail mattered. Lim and his coach, Benedict Abad, credited a more scientific approach to training, focusing on recovery, calorie intake, and race management. After learning hard lessons from international races in China last year, Lim improved the way he fueled his body throughout multi-stages competitions. The results showed. For coach Benedict Abad, the tour also proved something bigger, that Filipino cyclists can compete with foreign riders with the right system and exposure.
Kaya nating sumabay kung tama yung training, yung approach ng training. Because basically, it's really all about training and exposure to more international races.
With races in Poland possibly ahead this July, Lim now sets his sights even higher. And for the next year's Tour of Luzon, the 23-year-old is already thinking about the podium.
So siguro next year, mas yung pinaka-goal ko talaga makaapak ng top 3 or top 1. Tingnan natin. Gusto ko talaga step by step may improvement ako lagi every year.
Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho, we are One News.